In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot and Zoho. By the end, you'll have the Zoho CRM app installed in your HubSpot portal, authorized, and verified in your connected apps, so you know everything is set up correctly. Before you start, make sure you're logged into both HubSpot and Zoho with an account that has permission to install apps and authorize integrations. Begin on your HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard, the place you land after logging in. From here, look toward the top navigation and find the Marketplace icon. It's the gateway to HubSpot's App Marketplace, where you can discover and add integrations. Click that icon, and in the menu that appears, select the option to open the HubSpot Marketplace. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type Zoho. This quickly filters the results so you don't have to scroll. You're looking for the Zoho CRM app listing, which provides data sync between HubSpot and Zoho CRM. Click the Zoho CRM app to open its details page. Take a moment to glance over the description, permissions, reviews, and what objects are supported so you know what the integration can do for your team. Next, click Install. If you're a member of multiple HubSpot accounts, confirm you're installing it to the correct one. HubSpot may show a brief permissions summary for the integration. This is normal and simply outlines what the app can access. Continue through the prompts until you see the option to connect the app to your Zoho account. Now click Connect to Zoho CRM. This opens a secure authorization window from Zoho. If you aren't already signed in to Zoho, sign in using your regular Zoho credentials. You may also be asked to choose the correct organization or environment if you manage more than one. Read the access request so you understand the data the integration will use. When you're ready, check the box indicating that you allow the requested access. This ensures Zoho knows you consent to the integration. Then click Accept to finalize the authorization. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the authorization window can complete. When the authorization is successful, HubSpot will confirm that Zoho CRM is connected. This means the two systems can now communicate securely. From here, click Continue Setup. You'll return to HubSpot with the integration installed and ready to configure. Even if you're not adjusting any settings right now, continuing takes you back into HubSpot so you can verify the connection. To double-check everything, go to your connected apps in HubSpot. This is the central place where all installed integrations are listed and managed. It's a quick way to verify that the Zoho integration is active and visible to your team. In the Connected Apps section, use the search bar to quickly find Zoho. Typing the name helps you locate the integration immediately, especially if your portal has many apps installed. Finally, open the Connected Apps view and confirm the Zoho app appears in the list. You should see its name along with an indicator that it's installed and connected. That's your confirmation that HubSpot and Zoho are successfully linked. If you ever need to revisit settings, you can return to this area to manage or review the integration. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Marketplace icon or can't install, check that your HubSpot user has the right permissions. If the Zoho authorization doesn't complete, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. And if you manage multiple HubSpot or Zoho accounts, double check you're using the intended ones before installing and authorizing. That's it. Your HubSpot account is now connected to Zoho CRM. You're ready to proceed with any configuration your team requires, confident that the core connection is in place and verified. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your systems connected.